Okay, so last night, me and my boyfriend went to the Rise of the Eldrazi premiere, pre-release, and this is what we pulled. First pack, and this is what I got. He's in the case, so you can't really see him too well. But yes, it is him, the white Planeswalker. Okay, we also, Milo move. We also got her. These are the ones that I pulled, but Corey did pull this one. Another one that I pulled. And once again, me. And then this is some other stuff that we did get. Oh yeah, this was the pre-release card. But, to top it off, my boyfriend did get, he pulled another. Oh wait, I think he traded for this. I can't really remember. Yeah, I think he did. But he also has this one. And we have this one. And this one. Oh, hang on. There we go. Now you can see it a little better. I don't know if it's my eyes or what, but it seems a little blurry. And then I gotta trade my buddy for this one. And out of a total of 12 packs, this was the only token that we got. It's pretty much a bummer, but it was worth it. We got one more. We got a blue, and I did pull this one as well. I pulled like everything. And Corey did get a random. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful. Look how shiny that thing is. Alright. Well, there you have it.